What's up, everybody? Finally back on another adventure. Doing some new stuff this time. Anyway, getting ready to take you guys on a little trip. Let's go.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the.
Hopefully you guys can hear me. This morning, we are road tripping to Tequila. Getting ready to go to ISLA HOLBOX. Should be pretty cool. Decided to take a taxi. Leave out a little early. We got here super early. Leave out a little early. And we get there a little quick. Finally made our way to the ferry. We're hanging out in Tequila, getting ready to go over to the island. What's up, Pop? You want some scratches too? He's like, oh.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.
Back on the GoPro. They left me. Gotta go catch up with them. Made it.
Huh?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Beer. No beer?
What is this? What's that place over there? Oh, that's a shop, isn't it? This place is cool. It's pretty cool. Bioluminescent. So there's that tour. If we're gonna do that tonight, should we get info while we're here?
Okay. Classic 3 islands. Katashi, I don't know what that is. Fishing, snorkeling, ceviche. Bird Island. So we're looking at that 3 island tour. How much?
Yes, sir. Let me tell you. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Let me tell you, means he's trying to spit some bull. Yes.
Holbox from the Mayan hole cave underground inside. Bush black dark.
Black cave.
Black cave. Holbox black hole.
Oh, shit. We have decided to get out and get on the bikes. We're cruising. Let's go check out Holbox. Let's go. Alright, so I am on this trip to Holbox, and Miss AJ will not take a shot with me. Boom!
I've been drinking. I'm not taking no shots.
ain't taking no shots.
I don't want to look like them two. That's why.
We look alright.
I look like.
I
look great.
We may be a little intoxicated, but we look alright. We found the tourist shops. So, first day here, your boy is feeling fantastic. Getting ready to go hit this pool. I'm good.
A few moments later.
Can't even hold you. Landed right on my back. Shit, fuck sucked. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this one on GoPro. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. More adventures coming. This is just day one. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. No drunk. No drunk. Had a bunch of shots today. It was fantastic.